Hey everyone! If you're into bookbinding, you've probably heard that a Ream cutter is a must-have tool. It can cut up to 400 sheets at once, making your work much easier. But before you get one, you should know a few things, especially about maintaining the cutting mat. The cutting mat is like a chopping board for your blade. Over time, it gets cut marks, and to keep your cuts clean and precise, you'll need to flip or replace it. Here's how to remove it. When you get a brand new Ream cutter, the screws underneath will be pretty tight since they hold the cutting mat in place. I like to use duct tape to lift the mat, but it won't just pop out, it's locked in. So first, loosen the screws underneath. I've marked mine with arrows to remind me which ones to adjust. You'll only need to do this once, but if you ever move your cutter, be sure to tighten them again to keep everything secure. Now that it's loosened up, let's try the duct tape trick again. Stick a piece of duct tape to the mat for a better grip, then carefully lift it. Be extra cautious since you're working near the blade. Use your other fingers to help lift the opposite side. Take a look at these deep cut marks. This is where the blade hits the hardest. If your mat looks like this, it's time to flip it for a smoother cut. Most cutting mats have 4 usable sides, so you can flip and rotate them to get the most use out of them before replacing them. Now that it's back in place, it feels like a brand new cutting surface. This is just part 1 of a 7-part series on what you need to know before buying a Ream cutter. If you found this helpful, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next 6 videos. There's still a lot more to cover before you make your purchase. See you in the next one.